Hey everyone, it's Andy from Petrolhead. I'm just going to show you how to use a CHAdeMO adapter on a Tesla Model S. So here's the adapter. I don't even own one. This belongs to a very kind friend of mine called Rob, who's barely used it. The thing with Tesla is you use the supercharger so much you don't really need to use these adapters. But if you look on this end, it's a normal sort of Tesla adapter that goes into the car. And then this is a CHAdeMO one. So I'll show you how it works. So this is a polar charger where there's loads of these all over the UK, and it's now owned by BP. So they're moving into proper energy, not dinosaur juice, which is good. So you need a card like this, or the app. And what you do is you tap the card on. Then once you tap the card on, you can either choose CCS, AC or CHAdeMO. Now CCS is what the i3 uses, but this adapter is a CHAdeMO. So if we click this, and then it says plug the cable, and press start. So this is a CHAdeMO adapter as the polar charger gives you. And then you've got the Tesla adapter. So all you have to do is push it into the clicks. Then the click just means it's all done. That's it. And then all you have to do is click start to start the charge. Now I'm already on 90%, so this is purely just a video for YouTube, just to show what it's all about. So that's it. It's surprisingly simple. This is the thing about charging cables, is you need to learn what's relevant to your car, but if it's not something your car can use, you don't need to know about it. So don't get sort of overwhelmed by all the different charging types and charging cables out there, because there's only normally one or two different adapters you could ever use, and for typical Tesla owner, the supercharger is what you use sort of most of the time. Maybe the odd type 2 on a post, but having something like a CHAdeMO or CCS adapter is just a nice backup. And if you do a lot of miles, then I would definitely make sure you have one or both. The CHAdeMO adapters, as I showed you, the CCS adapter, you have to get Tesla to update a bit of wiring, or already have it in the car, and then you add to that a little smaller adapter. So yeah, all good. Hope you found that interesting. Feel free to get in touch if you have any more questions about Tesla, electric vehicles, charging, anything like that.